Hi, I'm Caroline from Spectrum. In this video, we will unbox and set up the Spectrum Aurora 19-inch Gold Luxe ring light. Let's look inside the box to see what's included. We have a carry bag, we have a light stand which supports the ring light, we have the ring light itself, there is a half mirror, we have a camera bracket, an L-shaped bracket which supports the mobile phone bracket, a power adapter and a power cable, and a flexible gooseneck. Let's look at each part separately. The first piece is the light stand. Now be aware that the legs unfold in the opposite direction to a traditional tripod. The first thing to do is to unscrew the knob in the middle, then hold two of the legs with one leg facing away from you and just pull it to open. Once you've got it in the position that you want, just remember to re-screw the knob. To mount the ring light to the stand, start by attaching the flexible gooseneck onto the ring light. Use the larger screw hole here and just screw it directly in. From there, loosen this knob as far as possible, but don't take it out. Just make sure there's a gap enough to put it directly onto the light stand. And again, screw it tightly to prevent it from wobbling. You'll notice that there are three extendable segments in the light stand, so make sure that you evenly extend these sections in order to maximize the stability of your light stand. Also, ensure one of the legs is in the same direction as the ring light to ensure even further stability when we're tilting the ring light head. Lastly, consider an optional weight or sandbag to even further enhance the stability of your light stand. To mount the camera bracket onto the ring light, slide this metal plate onto the mount on the bottom of the ring light and just screw this circle here to tighten it. You'll see another knob here. Loosen that so that you can utilize the 360-degree rotation for the camera. If you're using a mobile phone instead of a camera, use this mobile phone bracket. You simply mount it directly onto the camera bracket, just by screwing onto the top part of it here. To mount the half mirror, first peel off the protective layer on it, and then mount it along the edges of the inner side of the ring light. The Gold Luxe ring light includes a mount that allows you to shoot in portrait mode. This is an L-shaped bracket. To install it, mount the black metal plate along the bottom of the ring light and then screw it to tighten. To mount the mobile bracket itself, remove the screw completely and then reattach it along the bottom side of the hole here. Lift it up and then reattach it. To mount a mobile phone, just pull on this tab. It's recommended that you use a power surge protective adapter or power board when using the ring light for an extended period. Let's go through how to operate the Gold Luxe ring light. To turn it on, press and hold this white button here for 3 seconds. You'll see there are two knobs. The knob on the right controls the dimming, which is the intensity of the light. The one on the left is the color temperature, which ranges from 3000 Kelvin to 5500 Kelvin. To switch it off, press and hold the white button again for 3 seconds. You'll see the off here and it will switch off on its own. There's also an optional tablet mount. This goes directly on top of the camera bracket. You can just screw it here to tighten. And this bracket actually supports all tablets up to and including 11 inches. We also have an optional multi-device bracket available. To mount it, just slide the bottom plate onto the inside of the ring light and screw to tighten. This bracket can be used by both mobile and tablet devices up to 12 inches. And the advantage of this is that you can shoot in both portrait and landscape. This 43cm table stand is perfect for those with limited amounts of space. And as the name suggests, it's perfect for the tabletop. And it goes with any Spectrum Aurora ring light. The Spectrum Mobile Shutter Remote is an optional accessory that allows you to take photos without touching a device. In the box, you'll find the remote, a cable for tablets and smartphones, and an optional cable for various cameras. To use the remote for smartphones or tablets, connect one side of the cable to the remote and the other side to the headphone jack of your device. If your phone does not have a headphone jack, use its provided adapter. To use the remote for cameras, connect one end of the cable to your remote and the other end to the shutter port of your camera. Let's see what this... Okay, I have to do 2 cuts.
And we're tilting the ring light.
Yep. I kind of stuffed that up a bit, but it's the Gold Luxe ring light has the ring light. Okay. The Gold Luxe ring light. Yeah, let me do it again. All right, screw it tight. So I'll just okay. The Gold Luxe ring light. Okay.